Hi Achievers! Welcome to A Plus Russian. Today we are learning how to say he's drinking hot cocoa. Be sure to watch to the end for a bonus tip. I like my cocoa with whipped cream and cinnamon. What about you? Let me know in the comments below. Today we continue learning the verb to drink. In Russian, there is no difference between he drinks and he is drinking. Let's spell the word on, which is Russian for him. The first sound is o, and then goes n, and altogether it's on. Try saying it with me. On. Let's spell the word пьет. The first sound is p, then goes soft sign, and soft sign makes the preceding letter sound soft. So we have p, then we have yo, and t, and altogether it's пьет. Пьет. Try saying it with me. Пьет. So far we've learned how to say he is drinking in Russian. He is on and is drinking is пьет. And altogether it's on, пьет. In Russian we change the form of the verb depending on the subject. Do you remember what is Russian for he? On. Excellent. What about is drinking? Пьет. Well done. And the last new word for today is cacao. Cacao. Cacao is hot cocoa in Russian. Let's spell the word cacao. The first sound is k, then we have a, k, a, and o. And altogether it's cacao. Try saying it with me. Cacao. So far, you've learned how to say he is drinking hot cocoa in Russian. Он пьет какао, where он is he, пьет is drinking, and cacao is hot cocoa. Now let's play a memory game. Each word is repeated twice. I'm going to read the words and then cover them up. Try to remember where the words are and say them out loud with me. Are you ready, Achievers? Let's go. Он is he, пьет is drinking, cacao is hot cocoa. Он пьет cacao, cacao. Он. Do you know where the other on is? Excellent. Пьет. Do you remember where the other пьет is? Well done. Cacao, cacao. Well done, Achievers. Now you know how to say he is drinking hot cocoa in Russian. Он пьет какао, where он is he, пьет is drinking, and cacao is hot cocoa. And here is your bonus tip. The classic hot cocoa is made from unsweetened cocoa powder. In Russian, it's also called cacao порошок. The first two letters O are unstressed and pronounced as A. Порошок. If you enjoyed our lesson, please consider subscribing, and I'll see you in another video about food or anything else you like on A Plus Russian.